Logo is the first element that supports your brand identity. Managing and using multiple versions of logos is a hiccup in graphic design. Hi, this is Praveen from Picmaker. In this video, we'll see how to stay organized while using your logos on designs effortlessly. From the dashboard of Picmaker, click on Brand Kit in the sidebar. The first section under the brand kit is the brand logos. You may have different versions of your logos. Let's get started by uploading the first one. Once you click on add your logo, the file explorer opens up and allows you to upload your logo. You can add multiple logos by clicking on add another logo. Now let's see how your brand logo comes in handy while you design. I'm choosing a flyer template from the dashboard. As you can see, the template is completely customizable. Under the object section in the sidebar, you'll notice your logos preloaded to use. All you need to do is just click on your logo and it will be added to the artboard. You can scale and position it on your design as per your needs. You can stay organized by naming your design here. Once the design is ready, you can download it using the download button at the top right. Hope you learned how to add your logos to the brand kit and keep it handy to use on your designs. Hit the like button if you like this video and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss the upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.